is Ecolo. Ecolo Cycle is a company from Quebec. They have been in business since 1986. They were bringing car accessories. In 2001, they were one of the first importers of electric bicycles. So that's pretty freaking cool. In 2006 is when they started focusing on mobility scooters. That's who Ecolo Cycle is. They're a Canadian company. They've been around for decades and they know their stuff. Now they've grown substantially since they have partnered with Emo. Emo obviously has more exposure across Canada, but they've been doing big numbers just on their own without that. So they've got a lot of time and expertise under their belt. So it is a company we immensely trust. They've got a big warehouse. They've got parts. Parts are usually within 1 to 4 weeks. And that's pretty good in this industry, just to let you know. Then they came out with the Cruise, the first enclosed mobility scooter in 2018. So they're just a company that's been around for a long time. They're not new, and there's nothing wrong with new, but sometimes hiccups and things need to be ironed out when it's a newer company. So yeah, we're very impressed with the quality and the design of the new Connect, very much so. The Cruise we had before, it definitely lacked a lot of things, and they've come back with a vengeance with this one. It's excellent, it's priced right, it handles properly, but it's a little small. But anyways, that's Ecolo. So hello, Michelle. Bonjour, merci. We love Ecolo, and we're really excited to have this new one in.